Hello guys! So I will be making a homemade banana bread with butterscotch. I found this recipe online. I guess the website is allrecipe.com, and I've been making this recipe since then. But um, I'll just add chocolate chips to the ingredients, so that's it. And I've been making this since then, and my husband really loves it. So okay, let's do it. But first, I will show you the ingredients. So these are the ingredients. Okay, let's start with the flour. We need 2 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 eggs. We need 1/3 cup sour milk, 1 stick of butter. We need 1/2 cup butter, and this 1 stick of butter, 1/2 cup na siya guys. Okay, 1/2 cup na po yan. And banana, of course, I use 3 bananas of really ripe na talaga siya guys. And 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and that's it. For the chocolate chips guys, this is what I'm gonna use, the Nestle semi-sweet. So I just need like maybe a cup to 1.5 cup of chocolate chips. Okay, so we are ready to mix all the ingredients. It is super easy guys. You just need to combine all the ingredients. That's it. Okay, first we're gonna start with the flour. That's 2 cups flour there. And then next is the sugar. And then the baking soda. The next is the salt, 1/4 teaspoon salt. And then okay,
now the milk.
Let's start mixing it. The next is the banana.
Yeah.
Let's put the banana. Oops, meron pa. Oops, ayan. Sorry guys, my daughter is here with me and she wants to help me. She's a big helper. She is a big helper.
With this.
Excuse me lang, Cheyenne. Okay. The banana is there, so let's do it.
Now I just need to add this.
Let's add the egg.
Okay, so let's add this.
Let's add the egg. And then the sour milk. The sour milk.
That's it.
The butter guys, that's already softened.
What else we need, Mom? What else we need?
I need a butter. Wait, but ang tigas niya. But hindi siya. Wait lang. The next is butter. It's already guys. I put the butter there. So okay, let's start mixing it. Okay. Slowly. Okay, and the last but not the least. Ano yan? Kalimutan ko. Vanilla. Okay, so looks good now. Okay. I guess. Okay, that's it. Okay. Let's see if it's ready now. There you go. There's the... I need a spoon. Okay, we're done. Just need to scrape the mixture with it, Cheyenne. Oh my goodness, I have a helper, guys. Okay, then I can mix the chocolate chips. So guys, lastly, I need to add the chocolate chips. So I guess this is like 1 to 1.5. I'm not sure. Maybe 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. Okay, then just add this and then mix it good, and then it's ready in the oven. Okay guys, so that's it. That's ready. And I just need to put the chocolate chips. Okay, there's the chocolate chips. Oh, look at that. Look at the chocolate chips.
Now it's time for me
and then stir it good.
Yeah.
Stir lang ta mga guys, mga friends. Oh my god.
I want to stir.
By the way, this is my helper. Say hi.
Hi everybody.
Yes, that's my... Okay, let's stir it again. And that's it, guys. This is ready, guys. This is ready.
Me too.
Hey, Shaya, no! Oh my gosh. Okay, here's your spatula. Yeah. Okay, guys, so this is ready in the oven. Have to put this in a pan. You can use, or I'll be using an 8x4 pan. I guess this is 8x4. I'm not really sure. This is. Okay, so let's put it. So this is it. It's ready to go in the oven. Okay, well, we're just waiting for the oven to get ready. It's not ready yet. And there's the banana bread. All done. Smells so good. Inday.